We're going to Busch Gardens today. Are you scared, Liam?
Yep, all the bushes, I'm just terrified.
And they're all in the garden as well.
Oh God.
That sky isn't looking too good.
I'll sit in the middle while you can sit on the edge.
Why don't you sit in the car while we go on the rides?
Well, why don't you sit down and shut up?
Good day for Busch Gardens. That's a very big crocodile. No. All the rides have been closed because of the weather. Let's go get a snack.
There's literally thunder.
Oh.
11, 1, 2, 3. This is good egg.
Very expensive egg.
Mmm.
Here we find a wild creature in his natural habitat. He appears confused, slightly dazed.
Gorillas grow much faster than humans, but they show very similar behaviors.
They seem pretty chilled. They seem pretty happy, I think. I'm gonna go on the train by myself.
Inside the train. If you drop anything along the way, don't jump off the train again. Let us know at the next station. The blue and yellow roller coaster is R2. R2 is a steel, inverted roller coaster. These animals can move across the rail at any time. For your safety, please remain. They're one of the few animals that can see in color, and although they have a very long neck, they have the same number of vertebrae in their neck as humans, and that's 7. Thin markings and bare underbellies, and just like all zebras, grubby zebras are brown and white in color. Way around their belly. When zebras travel, they move at the speed of their slowest movement.
Found the boys. Oi oi. What was the ride you went on?
The Iron Quasi.
Is it any good?
Yeah. Lifted me off my slope cap.
They've convinced me to go on the rapids now.
I'm so excited. I can barely contain myself.
Never mind, the queue was too long, so rapids. We'll see you next time.
You definitely have to come here on Saturday.
Yeah, 100%.
All those poor people, those poor innocent men, women and children and everything else.
These are really good. They need to start doing McDonald's like coffee in the UK.
I got a bonus banquet and popcorn chicken. Too much salt on the chips.
We've decided to explore the clubhouse. We've got an early start tomorrow, haven't we?
Yep.
6:45 we're leaving. On Toby time, make it 8 o'clock. What's that? Oh! Maybe that's the same baby that was in your room.
Oh, maybe.
It's off. Gosh. The bugs are loud, aren't they? The map says it's a 14-minute walk from our villa, but I reckon we can do it in about half an hour. All the streets look the same. But they're nice looking. It's just a bit confusing. We've found the clubhouse. Are you getting a cocktail, Liam? Yeah, you're getting a cocktail. Just the one.
I think we're going to do the nature walk on the way back.
Yeah, bit dark.
That's what we're
Oh, it smells nice. Let's get sweaty. Sweaty before the bar. Oh God. You got like a fly on your face.
That's the third time.
Liam, what would you say has been your favourite part of the trip so far?
The roller coasters are the best bit.
You like the roller coasters? Have you got a favourite roller coaster so far?
Iron Warzy?
The one we did today? Very good. Well, I mean you did.
You did.
I didn't do it, I wasn't with you.
Yeah, it was very
What are you excited for most?
Universal.
Universal, the Hulk. You're gonna do Hulk. Have you seen it before, what it's like?
Nope.
Oh, it's good, it's good. I'm definitely going to Hulk, 100%.
I will see you there.
I'll see you there too. This is weirdly formal, isn't it?